Well, it's milder, Simon, I'm pleased to say. That's a phrase we've not used so far this year. Brief glimpses of sunshine for some, but for most of us it's rather cloudy and grey. The reason why it's mild? Well, the wind direction coming from a westerly, a stronger wind out there than we've seen so far this year. And this weather front up into the north is still the dividing line, the boundary between that colder air. And that's been producing actually some snow to the far north of Scotland. Temperatures in the Northern Isles just climbing above freezing as we speak. Some of that rain fairly persistent across western Scotland, Northern Ireland and into northwest England for the rest of the afternoon. So we keep those cloudy skies, brief glimpses of sunshine perhaps across the far southeast corner if we're lucky. The wind direction, well, from a westerly, mild, yes, but gusting in excess of 40 miles an hour on exposed coast. So noticeable if you haven't already been out to take some exercise, but temperatures 9 to 11 degrees quite widely, just that colder source of air sitting in the far north. Now overnight tonight we see some weather fronts merging together to bring more persistent rain through Northern Ireland into northwest England and Wales. A blanket of cloud here, but clearing skies in the far north mean those temperatures yet again are going to fall below freezing. So a real contrast to the feel of the weather first thing tomorrow morning. If we draw a line really from North Wales over to Norfolk, that's where the cloud and showery rain will tend to sit. It then pushes its way into southwest England as we go through the afternoon and allows some sunshine for many of us. Not a bad day on Tuesday. A nagging northerly breeze will keep it quite cool on exposed coast, 4 or 5 Celsius at the best, but we keep those double figures with the cloud and the light drizzly rain in the southwest. As we move into Wednesday, we've got this pyramid of weather fronts, and this is housing this mild air. Now, unfortunately, as those weather fronts continue to push their way steadily eastwards, they bump into the colder air. So on the leading edge is a bit of a question mark as to how much snow we're likely to see. Likely to be to higher ground, but maybe for a time at lower levels as well. But it is mild and it's rain behind it. So Wednesday is a bit of a messy weather story. There will be outbreaks of rain, some snow around, chiefly to the hills, and noticeably colder into the northeast in comparison to the southwest. Once we get Wednesday out of the way, Wednesday night into Thursday could still bring the risk of some snow. Thursday looks likely to be pretty wet. Noticeably cooler again by Friday, but a little bit quieter. We're back to that drier weather story. Back to you, Simon.